Good day, learners. Today we are going to learn about a short concept from the topic of atomic structure, focusing on the atom lithium. When you look at the periodic table, you will see that each element has its own box that has the atomic number at the top and a mass number at the bottom. Atomic number refers to how many protons there are in one atom of an element, while a mass number refers to how many protons and neutrons there are in one atom of an element. Let's look at lithium. Lithium has mass number of 7 and an atomic number of 3. In order to find our neutrons, we have to do the calculation whereby neutrons equals to mass number minus protons, which refers to our atomic number. So since we have a mass number of 7 and the protons of 3, it means it's gonna be 7 minus 3, which will give us 4. This means that we have 4 neutrons and then we have 3 electrons, and then we have 3 protons. This is our lithium. This is how our lithium will look like.
Good day, learners. I hope everyone is good. On our today's lesson, we will be focusing on how metal atoms form a cation. So, first thing first, we will talk about ions charge. We have two different types of ion charge. The first one is cation, that we'll be focusing on it today. Cation is defined as a positively charged ion. Anion is defined as a negatively charged ion. So, as we said, that we will be focusing on how metal atoms form a cation. So we will look at a specific metal atom, which is lithium. Atoms are found in group 1, 2, and 3. Well, so lithium is found in group 1. That tells us that it has only one electron in valency shell. So, as everyone knows that a shell will be full when it has 8 electrons in the outermost shell. So, in this case, in order to complete this outermost shell, we won't add 7. In order to complete it, we will simply remove the electron because it is 1. So the removal of this electron from the valence shell, it will cause it to become a positively charged. So that will lead it to be a cation ion, as we see here. Lithium is an cation ion because it loses electron.
Good day, my fellow learners. Today we'll be focusing on the atomic structure of an element fluorine. Firstly, I will start by defining what is atomic structure. Atomic structure refers to the arrangement of particles that makes up an atom. So, our element has an atomic number of 9 and that mass number of 19. Atomic number is the number of protons found in the nucleus of an atom, whereas the mass number is the total number of protons and neutrons found in the nucleus of an atom. So, what you also have to know is how many electrons, protons, and neutrons are found inside the nucleus of our atom. Our atom has 9 protons, 10 neutrons, and 9 electrons. But if you're not sure about the neutrons, you can use calculation whereby you take the mass number and minus the atomic number. In this case, you are going to say 19 minus 9 and get 10 neutrons. So here I'll be building that atomic structure of ours. I said that it has 10 neutrons. and 9 protons. Then also have 9 electrons. On the first shell, I will put 2 electrons because it only occupies or holds 2 electrons only. Then the second one, I'll put 7 electrons. So here it is, our atomic structure of our element fluorine.
Good day everyone. In this video I'm going to explain how the atom form a cation and how the charge of the ion relate to its position on the periodic table based on fluorine. Cation are the positive ions formed by the loss of one or more electron. When a metal ion loses a valence electron during a reaction, then a cation will be formed, while an ion are formed when the atom gains one or more electron. As you see here, we have fluorine with 7 valence electron, and then it gain 1 electron, and that lead to the sign being changed to negative, and now it is an ion. It formed an ion. Okay, now how the charge of ion relate to its position on the periodic table. On the periodic table, metal are found on the left hand side of the periodic table and they are positive. That means they form cation. And non-metals are found on the right hand side of the periodic table and they are negative. That means they form an ion. As you see here, on the right hand side we have element with positive signs on top of them. That means they are cation. And from here to toward the right hand side of the periodic table, we have